Just to compress PDF file for free is quite simple. So here in the downloads, I have a really big file that is almost 20 MB. And if I want to compress it, I would open up any browser, in my case Chrome, and here in the search bar type in for compress PDF, and I love PDF. Hit enter. It's completely free. Just go and click on this. Here select the PDF file, upload the large PDF file which you want to compress. Usually this recommended compression is good, but if you want to compress more, you can go for this. Click on compress PDF. So you can see from 20 MB, it is now 133 KB, and you can simply download it. So it's now of the same quality almost, but it is almost 134 KB from 20 MB. Hope this video has helped you out to compress the PDF on laptop for free. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.